Mastering the phrase, as the day is long. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into a fascinating English expression, as the day is long. This phrase is a wonderful example of the richness of the English language, embodying both literal and figurative meanings. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how to use it effectively in your conversations. At its most basic level, as the day is long, refers to the length of a day. This can vary depending on the time of year and your geographic location, but generally, it's understood to mean a full day from sunrise to sunset. When used literally, this phrase might describe something that takes an entire day to complete or emphasizes the concept of a day's full duration. More commonly, as the day is long, is used in a figurative sense to emphasize truthfulness, sincerity, or the extent of something. Saying someone is honest as the day is long suggests they are extremely honest, implying no darkness or deceit clouds their character. Much like how a long day is full of light. Understanding how to use this phrase in context will help you sound more like a native speaker. Here are a few examples. Describing character: my grandfather was as honest as the day is long, never telling a lie. Expressing duration: I've been working on this project for as long as the day is long. Emphasizing extent: she's as dedicated as the day is long, always the last to leave the office. While this phrase is versatile, it's essential to use it appropriately. Avoid these common mistakes. Don't use it for negative qualities. It's typically used to emphasize positive attributes or extensive efforts. Context is key. Ensure the context calls for such an emphatic expression. It's not suitable for casual or brief observations. Congratulations! You now understand the phrase, as the day is long. Whether you're describing someone's character, the extent of your efforts, or the sincerity of your intentions, this phrase can add depth and color to your English. Remember, the beauty of language learning lies in exploring these nuances. Keep practicing, and don't hesitate to use this expression in your next conversation. See you in our next video.